Welcome to Geeker. Today I'm going to show you how to create invoices in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to the left and I'm going to click New, and then here I'm going to click Invoice. Now, when I'm creating an invoice, I have to obviously have a customer first. So I'm just going to select ABC Customer, and it's going to automatically upload the information. Now let's say, for example, the customer doesn't exist yet and I need to add it in. If I click the drop down, I can click Add New, and then below here where it says Details, you can actually fill in all of this information really quick. So you can add some notes, some tax information. This really cool feature here is I can select payment and billing. Some customers that you bill might have a net 90 while others might have a net 30. So here you can differentiate what the terms are for this particular client. Then I can add attachments. I like to make sure that I add any type of agreement here that I have with the client. Custom fields, you can add custom fields, any additional info. So it's really cool. You can add as much information as you want and need here. So from here, I can select if I would like to accept online payments. It can be cards or bank transfer. If you don't have that set up yet, you can set it up. Another thing is, let's say, for example, your first invoice is due on receipt, but every other one after that is net 30. So I can go in here and I can choose what my terms will be for this particular invoice. If one of the terms aren't listed, you can always click New and you can add New at any point. So I'm just going to keep it at net 30. I have my invoice date, and then from here I'm going to list my product or service. For this example, I'm just going to say it's a monthly retainer for $2,500. If you don't have the product or service yet, you can always click the drop down and click Add New. And then from here, you can go through the process of adding whatever the service or the product is, whether it's inventory, non-inventory, service. You can go through that process. But once you add it, it's going to be listed in your drop down, and then you select it. Now, what you could do, let's say you just want to save it, you don't want to send it right away, you can always hit Save. In this little green box here, this drop down, you can hit Save and New, Save and Close, or Save and Send. And then another option here is Save and Share Link. So let's say you want to, maybe you want to send the link to it via text message, via a different way other than email. You can always just click Copy Link and send it to the person however you'd like. So this is a pretty cool feature. And then when you're done, again, you can hit Save and Share. However you want to do it, just Save and Close. So one thing I do want to share is you can have custom fields such as property. So if I'm billing this for a specific property, I can always select my drop down and select it for this invoice. So that's another really cool feature. And that's it. That is how we create invoices in QuickBooks Online.